wondering something that why is a dash between U and E? That's because a consonant comes over there. Let's go to the next one. And EW like squirrel. Let's look at a few alternative long U sounds. OO like tooth. A single U like unicorn. UI like fruit. OE like shoe and OU like soup. This brings us to the end of our long vowel series. I will soon come up with something new next time. Friends, the links to my previous videos are mentioned in the description box below. If you like my videos, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.